Welcome back to Tech Goods, where we usually talk about the latest gadgets, but today we are upgrading our lifestyle. We are taking a look at the LayinSun 10-piece outdoor patio furniture set. If you have been looking to turn your backyard into a proper hangout spot, this massive set promises to be an all-in-one solution. It features swivel rocking chairs, ottomans, and the star of the show, a 44-inch propane fire pit table. Let's dive in and see if this set is the right upgrade for your home. First, let's talk about how this thing is built. LayinSun has gone with a classic, timeless design featuring hand-woven, all-weather wicker. This isn't just for looks. The wicker is wrapped over a powder-coated metal frame designed to be corrosion-resistant. This is a crucial feature because outdoor furniture needs to withstand rain, sun, and temperature changes without rusting or unraveling. The aesthetic is elegant with gently curved arms, making it look much more expensive than standard box store patio sets. It feels sturdy and grounded, designed to survive season after season of harsh weather. Comfort is usually where patio furniture fails, but this set seems to prioritize it. The chairs feature a 360-degree swivel base that allows you to rock back and forth and rotate fully, which is great for conversation. The cushions are 4 inches thick and filled with a high-resilience sponge, so they shouldn't flatten out immediately. They are upholstered in olefin fabric, which is top tier for outdoor gear because it is stain-resistant, easy to clean, and designed not to fade in the sun. With a high backrest and a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, the seating feels secure and supportive for the neck and spine, while the included ottomans add versatility, doubling as footrests or extra seats. Now let's get to the tech part of this goods review. The 44-inch propane fire pit table. This is the centerpiece of the set. It pumps out 55,000 BTUs of heat using a dual-tube stainless steel burner. For context, that is a significant amount of heat that will actually keep you warm, not just look pretty. Because it runs on propane, you get a clean burn with no ash and no smoke blowing in your face. It is easy to ignite and provides a stable flame, extending your patio season well into the colder months. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is unmatched. The swivel and rocking motion of the chairs makes them incredibly relaxing, and the olefin fabric is a huge plus for longevity. The high heat output of the fire pit is also a major pro, as many competitors only offer 30,000 or 40,000 BTUs. The inclusion of ottomans makes the set modular, allowing you to configure the seating arrangement to fit your specific space perfectly. However, there are some cons to consider. Because this is a 10-piece set with a fire table, the assembly process is likely going to be long and perhaps a bit tedious, so bring a power drill and some patience. Additionally, while the fabric is weather-resistant, light-colored cushions will always require maintenance to keep them looking pristine, regardless of the material claims. Finally, you will need to buy your own propane tank, and you need a fairly large patio space to accommodate all 10 pieces comfortably without it feeling cluttered. So why should a buyer invest in the LayinSun set? You should buy this if you are looking for a one-and-done solution to furnish a large outdoor space. It is perfect for people who love to host. The combination of the fire pit for ambiance and the ample seating means you can entertain large groups comfortably. It balances luxury features like the high-back swivel chairs and high-heat fire pit with durable construction that justifies the investment. If you want to create an outdoor living room that you can use year-round, this set is a strong contender. That wraps up our review of the LayinSun 10-piece patio set here on Tech Goods. If you enjoyed this review or have questions about the setup, drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the goods that make life better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.